Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to share an amazing trick for the perfect base. This is something I realized by my experience in application of makeup. I discovered this by experimenting in my makeup techniques. So stay tuned. Starting off with the Maybelline foundation, adding my moisturizer and the cream highlighter I have, that is by NYX, for that additional glow. So the trick is not to apply your foundation directly to the face. No, just take some product on the back of your hand, massage it, warm it, and take sponge and apply it evenly to the face. You have so many products, but if your technique is wrong, no products will do wonders to your skin. So that is the key to get that flawless base. You can see how well blended the foundation is. Now doing the same thing with the concealer, taking Swiss Beauty concealer on the back of my hand and taking this brush by PAC Cosmetics, number is 272, for the application. It evenly distributes the product and also it saves a lot of product wastage. You can use your fingers too for the application because that gives you warmth to the product, and I guess that will make your product more hydrating. Taking contour from the crayon palette, I've seen people applying contour directly onto the face and blending, which makes it a little scary for me at least. What you can do is take your product on the back of your hand and warm it up first, taking my sponge and then applying the contour on the face. It is so easy to blend without any harsh lines, I guess. Else you will end up getting the muddy look. For blush, I'm grabbing this Inside Cosmetics cream blush in the shade Watermelon Popsicle and taking the brush this time. You can use a blender too. Now evenly distributing the product on the brush and applying to the face. You can see how seamless the blend is. On to the highlighter now, using this Becca Champagne Pop and applying this with the blender. It almost makes the highlighter looks like a glass skin finish. So that's it for the video, and I'm looking in the mirror now and I'm so happy with the final outcome. My makeup looks flawless and I'm so glad that I've shared this with you all. If you have learned any one thing from this video, do subscribe and like this video, and I'm sure everyone has their own way of doing makeup and different techniques. I'll see you in the next video. Bye and take care till the next time.